Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So for this video, we're going to be talking about change of characters, or if you see the abbreviation, it's like CHOCH. That stands for change of character. It's pretty much the opposite of what we did yesterday, which is a break of structure. And we'll probably do some live trading. We're here a little bit before the market opens, like 2 minutes before. If I can, I'll just show you a change of character real quick. Yesterday, this was a break of structure. Remember, with breaks of structure, it's pretty much just continuing the pattern or continuations. Now, a change of character is when you break the pattern. You change the character of the pattern. So look at it like this. As you can see, everything's aligned. Everything's aligned. Now, as you can see yesterday, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We broke this lower high. We broke this high. When you break something like that, you break the pattern. That is called a change of character. So as you can see now, we have a different pattern. We broke yesterday's pattern yesterday. So now we're in the bullish trend. We're doing this. So we have a low, make a higher high, and that's gonna be white. Higher low, a higher low than before, made a higher high than before. Higher low, and we just keep taking that thing on up. Made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So look, we'll do it like this. This is what's happening. We have a break of structure right there where we broke it and we went higher. We have another one right here where we broke and we went even higher. We have a break of structure right here where we broke structure and we went higher. We continued the pattern. We have another break of structure right here where we went higher. We continued the pattern. But right here, just happened this morning, we have another change of character. We broke our continuation. We broke the uptrend. So now we're heading in a downtrend. We're going bearish now. We're heading in a downtrend. I don't want to get in this because it feels like it's already moving and I'm gonna miss it. I've pretty much missed it. So we're gonna wait for it to come back and then we'll hop in it when it does that. VIX is headed upward. Apple is doing stuff. Amazon is, wow, they're pumping. Google's down. Microsoft's coming up. Oh, that's Meta. Microsoft is too coming up though. I'm a hope that we can get a gap play right here. If we can get above that gap, if we can get a closure above that gap, that's actually what I'm gonna hope for today. Is that. But we have to play what the chart gives us. If it don't give us that, then we might look for a sell. I feel like I should write this out. So, a change of character. Change of character is a change of the current pattern. Or change in the current pattern. Change of characters, they only happen once. So you see how we have all of these break of structures, BOS, 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 BOS. A change of character only happens once. As you can see right here, we have a change of character, and then we go back to our BOS, 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 BOS until we break the pattern again, which is here. Then we have a change of character. But I really want to see what we do here. I'm really thinking we do that. I'm really thinking we do that. I don't see, we might catch off this zone. We probably won't reach all the way back up here again, but I don't know. We've built enough like structure that we can take a call if we go up, or if we head below this wick closure, we'll take a put. So now we just gotta wait and see which direction price wants to move. Our price is going to move. All right, as you can see, price is moving upwards. we gotta get a we could get a rejection right here, which would make liquidity. But if we get a closer above, we're about to take a call option. As you can see, we're on, and we still got 50 seconds though. I think we're gonna get the closer, but we have to wait. Okay, so if we get a closer, we got 18 seconds. We're gonna take the 4375, and I think we're gonna get it. We're finna take the 4375 call. Yeah, we gonna get it. 2, 1, we got it. Okay, and we're about to buy right. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. Buy. I bought it for 5.6. 5.6. Alexa, 5.6 times 1.1.
5.6 times 1.1 is 6.16.
Okay, we need 6 point. In that situation, we'll round up to 6.2. See, this is what I was trying to wait for price to come down a little bit, because now price is at 5.2. I was trying to catch the low, but we bought at 5.6. I think we need 6.2 to get out of this play. That's maybe like 10.5 or 11% profit. Let's just look at what everybody else is doing. VIX is headed downwards, as you can see. That's good for us. Apple's headed up. Amazon is in. Google was going up. Oh, it closed that gap, so it might be taking a little break. Meta could be taking a break, or this could be a change of character right there. Microsoft, ooh, might be a little worried. Not sure. Nvidia should be about to rebound right here and go up, because if you can see, this area was a supply, but it's flipped over to demand, so we should react right here and go back up. QQQ, that big candle worries me. Tesla's going up. Let's look at SPY. Oh, I'm a little worried. Ooh, I'm a little worried. We know we're in a demand zone, but we're just gonna draw it a little better. Spread it out. We're gonna draw the demand zone right here. We're finna break through that. We might need to close this. As you can see, price did not react at all to this area, so delete it. Now, if price doesn't react here, yeah, we gonna take this for a loss. You know what's about to happen? I think price is about to go up here, and it's gonna price is finna break this. Yup. And the play that we took this morning might go up. Okay, we're reacting to this level. Apple is doing the same thing as specs. Amazon is bullish. Google and Microsoft doing the same. It looked like everybody in this, if you can see this pattern that I just drew on specs, like that triangle or that flag, that's what it looks like everybody is doing. And when you see liquidity patterns like that, that means stay out of the market, stay away from the market. Because we need to break one of these ways. Are we breaking up? Are we breaking down? Right now we're just playing ping pong and like break somewhere, my boy. SPY and specs are about, I'd say they're 90-95% the same. Generally in the first 30 minutes they can variate, but they generally do about the same exact thing. I believe the weight of certain stocks is different, which causes price to be different between the two. On specs, Apple could be 6.3%, and on SPY they could have Apple weighted as 5.9%. So it's little small stuff like that. I don't want to end this video until I see what the heck is about to happen. I'm getting impatient. show you guys what happened in the next video tomorrow, what happened with this price. But today's video was a learning moment. I'm getting annoyed with price, so if you guys have any comments or questions, leave it down below the video. I'll check it out. Till next video. Yeah, price is playing with me. See you guys later.